This Women's Day, we spoke to the women of India. How would you ideally spend your me time?
My me time, I go for shopping and taking rest and reading some books.
Ideally, I want to spend my me time. I just wanted to relax whole day.
Usually, I like painting and I'm good at writing poems. So, in my me time, I paint and write poems.
I normally spend my me time either by reading a book or maybe watching Netflix. I love cooking and that's my stress buster. So I would probably go end up making a cake.
I would love to spend my me time journaling, where I feel I reconnect all my thoughts, and that's the time it's only even me and my journal. Some time, where I can just disconnect from everything and just focus on myself through my journal.
I'm spending my me time just me and myself. No responsibilities, no mother responsibilities, nothing.
When was the last time you did something just for yourself?
This weekend, I went for the movie date with my female friend.
This morning, while I was driving to office, I love listening to good music, soulful music, and I can even name the singer, Satyendra Sartaaj, and I had a great time. My 30 minutes drive was very soulful.
After becoming mother, I don't remember anything that I was or I am doing something special for me.
I guess last week only. So I pamper myself a lot sometimes, so I do that thing only.
I spent it only last week where I did some retail therapy and where I went out shopping alone and to a mall and I indulged myself.
Honestly, I don't remember when was the last time I did something just for myself. So, I'm still learning how to do things just for myself without any guilt and being selfish.
Do you feel you have to prove yourself more at work?
Yes, I do feel that very strongly, and I also feel that most women will answer that as a yes. That could be because of very many reasons, which makes them work a little more aggressively towards achieving their goals.
बिल्कुल मैं ऐसा फील करती हूँ कि मुझे अपने आप को थोड़ा ज़्यादा प्रूफ करना पड़ता है.
It's not like that I want to prove myself more at work. It's just that I don't want to be underestimated.
We are focusing on regular things daily basis. So yes, I have to do a lot.
Not the environment we are in. So we are blessed and I think very fortunate. The culture we have built here is more of we creating our own deadlines and timelines, for our career trajectory or progression.
See, I think whether it's a female or whether it's a male, if people are working in the office, then they have to prove themselves every day.
Have you ever chosen deadlines over your own well-being?
I think most of the times HR has to do it because HR is not just about those deliverables, it's about how fast, how quickly we respond to people's emotions or their grievances. So yes, many a times I feel that, we have chosen, deadlines and work over our own time.
Yeah, many times. So there are few days in a month where even most of the females felt that they just wanted to be at home and just relax, but ignoring that, I came to the office and I completed the deadline. Yes, so like I said that I have worked in the event industry and because of which the deadlines had to be met. So yes, loads of times I've taken, deadlines have been a priority.
A lot of time, but it's not right. We have to choose our health ourselves first.
Sometimes I work when I was having emotional breakdowns, when I was having headaches because something was important.
Yes, sometimes. Not regularly. Sometimes we are not in that mood to work and focus. So yes, we do sometimes focus more on work dedicatively.
What would you do if pressure and expectations did not exist?
I think I can do something big. जैसे I can do what I like the most.
I will be more creative and more productive.
I think I would slow down without guilt. I would love to explore, my hobbies and anything other than my career. So out of curiosity, my passion. So yeah, that's what I would want to do.
I think I tend to perform much better under pressure. So I'm okay with pressure. Expectation, if they are set right in the first instance, then I'm okay with expectations also, as long as I know what the person is expecting. If I don't know what the person is expecting, then it becomes a challenge.
I would stop comparing myself and start creating because I love it, not because someone is pressurizing me to do that.
So I do manage my professional and my personal life in regular things. So I have to take care of my family as well as my professional working. So yes, I have to take care for that too.
What would balance truly look like in your profession?
Balancing is something I would say being at the moment.
I think so. When I'm in office, I will be more focused on my work, and once I reach my home, then my main priority will be my family and my loved ones.
Performance without a burnout, where I perform purely because I'm liking my work and I'm not drained. So that's what the ideal definition is.
ये बैलेंस होना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि मैं काम यहाँ अच्छा करूँ और घर पे पीसफुल माइंड से अपने घर पे रहूँ.
Balance in the sense that where I could actually balance my personal life with work. It's only sometimes when there are festivals or when there are guests or there are some social commitments which you have to make. That's the time that it takes a lot of management to manage all these things together. But in general, in a day-to-day life, I think these things are pretty manageable.
What does freedom look like to you?
Freedom is something when I can say no without any explanation or without any guilt, and choosing me over anything without feeling selfish.
Like choice to prioritize yourself if needed. So we as a career woman or as I would say a homemaker, whatever gives a productive outcome, we would want to do that. We chase that, But I think the time has come that we women, we have to normalize women who want to prioritize their me time, their self over, their productive outcomes.
Choosing myself over everything without being guilty and without feeling selfish.
Not being dependent to anybody.
हाँ, जब चाहूँ जैसा बोल सकूँ, ये मेरे लिए फ्रीडम है, जहाँ मुझे सोचना ना पड़े कि मैं ये बोलूँगी तो क्या हो जाएगा.
If you personally ask me, I feel free. I feel happy in whatever space I'm in right now.
Across professions, across cities, across roles, women continue to prioritize everyone else first. And somewhere between responsibility and resilience, their own time fades into the background. This Women's Day, claim your time as your right. Make space for yourself.
Because my time matters.
Today, on this Women's Day, I want to share what I feel. Women are very strong. They are the strong leaders. They dream big, they work hard, and they grow every day. It is a reminder that women can do anything. Happy Women's Day to all the pretty ladies.
Women manage work, home, and dream together, and they still smiling with whole hearts. Happy Women's Day to all the beautiful ladies.